Hello, my name is Gene Fuchs. I'm the Regional Sales Manager for Shibuya-Hopman Corporation for the Northeastern United States. I manage the states of Connecticut, Rhode Island, New York, New Jersey, and Pennsylvania. I've been representing primary packaging equipment to the pharmaceutical, food, beverage, and consumer packaged goods markets for over 25 years. Shibuya-Hopman has been providing quality part unscramblers, orienters, assembly systems, cappers, conveyors, labelers, and other packaging line equipment for over 60 years. We proudly provide unrivaled customer support for your project applications, service needs, and maintenance requirements. If you're looking for solutions to your packaging needs, whether it's equipment to automate your line, designs to help streamline your processes, or equipment to fulfill your unscrambling, filling, assembly, capping, placing, counting, or labeling needs, please contact me here. Thank you, and I look forward to working with you in the near future.